Why about the Hellcat? I'm tired of shit too. I ain't did this shit in so long, but we finna get a POV style going on. Car still junky than a bitch, cause I be working in my shit. Oh God. Go ahead and pull this motherfucker out though, cause I ain't put it on in so long. And I'm finna do it with a motherfucking car. There go. And it's a Hellcat Challenger. Ooh. Wait. We got the chains in that motherfucker. What is that? Oh shit, we gotta go. We gotta go now. Yeah. Well, here we go. Oh, that motherfucking cat motherfucker look beautiful, bitch. Damn, I gotta give me some motherfucking headlights on that hoe. Oh shit, bright as shit. We gotta go left out there hoe. It's too damn bright out there hoe. You hear that motherfucker? You probably can't even hear it. He whining hard as shit. The nigga whining hard as shit. I gotta give me a Hellcat, bitch. I tell you that. I'm a super tired this hoe. By the accident, man. As a matter of fact, the bill is starting like soon, bro. Like within like a week or two. I'm finna go ahead and buy all my shit, bro. I ain't gonna buy all this shit. I'm gonna do this shit slow and forth like an intake cam and shit. Goodness gracious, boy. You hear that mother? Do you hear that shit? What the fuck? I ain't did this shit in too long, bitch. All I hear is that's all I hear, my nigga. Road be tight as shit, can't lie to you. What the fuck? I ain't gonna lie, I might need some gas after this one. Look at the boys. Alright, so there ain't no car coming nowhere. And my dumb ass just bought a whole pint of Kool-Aid at the house. Oh God. Ooh, just wait, bitch. I'll tell you, bitch. I might even go Whipple, bitch. I don't know. Cause I know Whipple don't whine as loud as the damn Hellcat supercharger, bitch. Look at that. I can hear that bitch all the way up here, bitch. Do you hear his shit? Wait till we get on. That bitch so loud, bro. that's a hell of a flex, bitch. You go anywhere and you read that whole bar. Fuck, right? He made me feel like I'm in poverty, bitch. This shit crazy. I'm telling you, bitch. Swear get behind. I'm back on my bullshit. I'm running, nigga. Swear get behind. I'm back on my bullshit. I'm running, nigga. That motherfucker look too nice. Then we got a motherfucking Corvette all the way in the back. We got a Corvette want to play with us too. I'm scared of his ass though. His ass might crash out there, cause I don't know who the fuck that is. I done seen. As a matter of fact, we done worked on his shit before. We done worked on that nigga back bumper. I'm gonna let that nigga get in front and see how bad he do me. I'm gonna try to catch his ass on God. I know I ain't gonna catch him, but I just want to see. Temperature climbing out there, hoe. Motherfucking vet out there, hoe. Oh wait. These niggas pushing out there, hoe. These niggas going out there, hoe. I got flies and shit trying to go everywhere in this hoe. Police get behind. I'm telling you, I'm pushing this hoe. I'm not stopping. I'm not even supposed to be driving right now. Real shit. And I'm all the way in the fucking back. I'm all the way in the back. That's it. Serious, bitch. Yo, this the shit I miss, bro. I ain't did this shit in so long, bitch. Did you hear? I know you hear. That motherfucker, that Hellcat motherfucker. Look at the red teeth on that hoe. Going crazy with the motherfucking vet. But yeah, I know they both finna stomp on the hill, and I can't be the only one to not do it. So let's see where it go down, bitch. Oh, wait the fuck! Wait the fuck! Hell no, let me slow my ass down. I can't go to jail. I can't go to jail. I can't go to jail. I cannot do it. Hell nah, fuck no. I gotta slow my ass down. I am in the back though. I'm telling you, bro. Police get behind me, I'm gone. Why it sound like I hear police out there? Nigga paranoid out there. Hell yeah. Hey Vic, the freeway up there. I'm gonna go ahead and head back to the house. Alright, bet that up. Alright. No problem. You left my ass in the motherfucking dash, nigga. Left me all the way in the back. I think her going home now. Oh God. Oh God. What my gas tank on? Hell no, I got places to be. Damn, I almost ran the red light. I ain't even gonna lie. I was finna blow straight past that hoe. Was not paying attention whatsoever. And ain't no police, bro. We just went on the fucking parkway doing 100 and some miles an hour and ain't no police do shit. I know it's police on that fucking road. Like, what the hell? Hell nah, bro. I can't get back into this shit, bro. 392. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I thought it was a fucking RT or some shit. It's a 392. Oh my goodness. It's bullshit, bro. This shit set up. I need to know when the fuck to pull out. And I'm finna pull out right now. I'm not doing no more bullshit. I'm finna take the hoe back at the house. And the hoe finna sit right back up. Oh my goodness, bitch. Oh my goodness, bitch. Oh my goodness, bitch. Oh my goodness, bitch. Ah, I'm doing it. And another one, but it's fucking Charger City, bitch. They all about here. I need to know what the fuck. As a matter of fact, nigga, fuck this. I'm going home. I'm not racing, bitch. I can't do it, bitch. Gotta go. This bitch tried to get the fuck away. Oh, they got a vet right there. A vet right there chilling. Oh God, Birmingham fucking center point, but this bitch like a fucking GTA, like, but it be like a big ass playground for cars. Cause the police don't give not one fuck out here. Oops, I hear the police somewhere. I think somebody just got pulled over. And it ain't me, bitch. I got the fuck out of Dodge. Yeah, nah, y'all really hear that shit? I don't know where that shit at. I'm telling you, I see his ass try to pull me over. Pew. I'ma hit that. Pew. I'm out of here. And it's a police station like right up there, so let's see how this shit go. Both of their ass just ran a red light. Damn. It ain't that fucking deep. If that camera know what's good for him, you better let me over. You better let me over. Damn, it's a whole bunch of speed bumps on the road too. Hell no, I'm not going down there. I'm finna turn right. Make a big ass right. Then as you can tell, I had to roll up to 5% because I don't like being looked at for real. I was on get content with the fucking Hellcat, you feel me? Ain't no motherfucking car coming. Hell no. Back to what I was saying though about modding my shit, bro. I'm finna get me a intake. That's long overdue. I should have been did that shit. But now I'm finally finna get it. I'm finna go ahead and get these long tube headers. Go ahead and get rid of these, you know, these soggy ass mid pipes, you feel me? Even though I don't got no cats, but I don't know. I just want this shit to look a little bit cleaner. So I'm gonna go ahead and invest in some motherfucking long tube headers. And I got the intake finna come. And then after that, we gotta do the MDS delete. Either I'm gonna do a stage 4 cam. I want my shit to chop fucking trees down, you feel me? I want my shit to chop so damn hard. So, you know, I might go stage 3 or stage 4. I don't know. We gonna see. And then right after that, bro, we going forged internals, bro. We gonna forge the whole damn inside, everything that need to be forged. And then we throwing that motherfucking Hellcat supercharged on there. Everybody talking about you can either Hellcat swap it or fucking, you know, do what I'm about to do. And I feel like, me personally, I feel like going the route that I'm going by, that shit gonna be way cheaper than spending 10, 12K just for the Hellcat and transmission. Then you gotta buy, oh shit, he pushing that hoe too. But anyway, then you gotta buy a whole, you know, radiator, a whole bunch of support and shit to go with it. And I don't know, but I feel like you're gonna come out about 15 bands. And then you gotta pay somebody to put that shit in. So hell nah. That shit, nah, it ain't worth it. Oh God, that's why I'm just gonna build my motor. That shit gonna be about, I don't know, 7, 8K. It's better than, that's more than double. You feel me? going the Hellcat route more than double. Just for me to beat a Hellcat with a stock. I mean, not with a stock, but you know, with a scat. With a Hellcat blow on that bitch. You feel me? So, yeah, I'm just go ahead, go this route, go ahead, build that whole forge it. And then eventually, when my money up like that, shit, I'm burping this shit. Eventually, though, when my money up all the way, bro, we gonna send a block off and get that whole block for us. You feel me? Go ahead, build the whole block. Then this hoe gonna be bulletproof out there. Going back on the road alone by myself. That shit sad, bro. Oh God. I could've went, but I got them Brembos. Let's put them Brembos to use. Yeah, all my shit slid to the front. Oh God. But don't worry about that shit, bro. That shit, I be getting packages every day. That's just a water bottle and a whole bunch of packages and shit, bro. Don't worry about it. And vinyl wrap, because I just wrapped my shit. And I still have yet to clean this shit because I ain't even had time, bro. Buddy pulled up. I just sold him that my old Scat Pack hood. And he came to come pick it up, but couldn't pick it up because it didn't fit in the Challenger. So yeah, he finna come back, bring your truck, pick it up, and that shit gone. They got a pulley right there. You lazy fat son of a bitch. I'm telling you, bitch. These niggas right here don't give a fuck. We just went 100 miles down this fucking road right here, and your ass just pulling out, just motherfucking. You late as shit, my nigga. I done went around the whole fucking city, and your ass just not pulling out. That should be crazy. That would be talking about. That's why nigga be crashing on the hoe every day, and my dumb ass still ain't learning. I'm still pushing the hoe. Let me stop though. That's why I said I'm gonna calm my head down and go put it up. Cause this damn gas pedal like crack, bitch. I'm telling you, once you get into it, boy, it ain't no stopping. It ain't no stopping. You gotta have fucking balls of fucking titanium out there, hoe, just to stop the hoe. You know, just to stop pushing that hoe here, hoe. And then the nigga come flying by, you wanna show his ass what the fuck going on. As a matter of fact, bitch, let me put my shit in eco mode real quick. Eventually though, bro, whenever I get my shit back all the way, bro, I'm telling you, bro, we gonna race his ass again. My shit gonna have the supercharge on it. Then we gonna see who whining harder, and we gonna see who winning in a fucking, a race. Cause he smoking the shit out of me non-stop. Unless he spin off the line, bro, he gonna beat the shit out of me. Like fucking Mike Tyson out there, ho. He gonna beat, bro, it's a motherfucking fight behind me. And I don't know if that's a fucking police or what. I'll get my ass over. Oh God, I'm going. I'm leaving. Nope. Oh, and he get behind me. Better up. I'm gonna do your ass too. I don't give a fuck what you in. I'm finna go some off-road shit. Oh God, your bike can't do it. And it's a dangerous ass spot, but I can't see for shit. I like to see that little bitty ass car in front of me. There you go. I can see everything. Nah, hell nah. That shit dangerous, bro. And they be flying down the road too. But hell yeah, bro. If you like the content, bro, go ahead, like, share, subscribe, bro. I'm finna go ahead and deal, motherfucking go to the house, shower at that bitch, and I got some shit to do. So I'm out of here.